You tell me.
I like Joe's style when it makes you do it.
Gotta get used to giving prices.
Making me swerve, making me swerve, making me swerve, making me swerve, making me swerve.
Good to see you. Good to see you. Yeah. Thanks for
A lot of the stuff I threw in barrels because it was in a back room off the barn and the mice got into it. So
it's junk.
Anything in there you want,
oh look,
just take it. But if you're gonna touch it, I'd rather you did it with gloves. I have gloves in there.
Okay.
I don't want you to get.
All right. Need a hand?
You can just take it out.
Okay. All right.
Some stuff I stuck on top.
Yep. Lincoln logs. It's pretty cool.
Cables you're gonna need. A lot of the boxes are on, that doesn't necessarily mean that it's in them.
Okay.
They keep reusing the same ones.
Yep. No problem.
I know you should go through it as put the things you want somewhere specific.
Yeah.
I don't know if we've figured them all out anyway.
Wow. Oh, I guess you did get a lot, huh?
I didn't know. This is like, I don't know, plastic guns and all that stuff.
Oh, wow.
How else oh no, that's not. Sorry.
That's like molds or something.
There's a box like that with that.
A lot of this stuff is
Wooden scrabble.
toy tanker truck. So you wanna just put on this table the stuff we want? There you go.
Put a rough on the top.
It's all right.
I'm just letting you.
Get that. Hold on, do you want the Lincoln logs? I don't know about those. What is that? What is this, dude?
Sealed.
Whoa. These are like sealed comics. We'll grab these. I could like bundle these up. Sell
All
them,
the same.
sell them in a big lot. Oh, are they?
All the same.
Ding.
Can you scan it?
I can. 8 listed. None have sold.
You want them or no? Are they sealed?
They're all sealed.
No. The ones that are listed.
Oh. Yeah, they're sealed. But they're priced high. We could just price them low. Move them.
$5.
Yeah. I say we get them. They're brand new.
Okay.
What the heck? Might as well. Those. This is old. 66 cents from Department 6. Add that to the pile. What's that?
Brought a lot.
Probably good.
Look at all those.
Also, if your kids are thirsty,
Oh, thank you very much.
Gatorade,
Thank you.
water. Unfortunately, the water's room temperature for the Gatorade is come out of the refrigerator.
Yeah.
Okay.
Help yourself.
Thank you. I appreciate that. Did you want this?
Yeah.
Yeah. Mine's a 14, but it's just basic. It's not nothing crazy.
Seal.
Yeah. Oh yeah, so that'll last you forever.
Not much good.
Yeah. It's kind of cool. Yeah. Is it battery powered? Yeah.
I think so. That's some of the music notes. It's
Yeah, looks clean. It's alright. It's fine.
You want that?
Yeah. It's cool.
Yeah.
Portable organ. You don't mind us just pulling stuff out of here, right? Okay. Okay. Doesn't work. Pop goes the weasel. There it goes.
It doesn't do the full
Pop goes the weasel. Oh yeah, that's right. I'll take one.
Find anything good?
Yeah, everything on the table back there. Be what we're interested in.
Oh, good.
I like that.
You tell me.
I like Joe's style and it makes you do it.
Gotta get used to giving prices.
Yeah.
Cool. Look at that.
Yeah, I looked these up. None have sold on eBay. A few people have them listed, but
But Christmas is coming.
yeah,
So
it's true.
maybe-
We gotta take a shot on them.
I know when we came the first time, you're like, take a bag, fill it up.
Yeah, yeah.
I
Whatever.
was just getting rid of it, you know. But I figured I'd let you guys,
Yeah, no, I really appreciate it. Yeah, letting us go through it.
especially
Ryan
where
gets
you,
all excited.
I do.
where you do the online stuff, you know.
Yeah, yeah, no, it's definitely, it's good to have connections like this, you know.
My mother and my aunt tried to. I don't know if they ever did anything, but I saw some of the stuff on eBay.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
My mother had a hard time with her phone. It was a flip phone. I don't know how she.
Oh, trying to post and list.
I don't think she had even learned the dial phone yet. Yeah, just make an offer. That's all.
All confused.
That's cool.
How about 25 bucks?
Done.
Done. Wow, that was easy. He makes it too easy. Done. Thanks.
I think there's I think it's this one.
This one? I didn't even open it
I
up.
think she had. I think it's brand new because I think there's a box.
That
there.
one's,
Actually a case of.
yeah, this is sealed. This hasn't even been opened.
I think there's a case of those.
Really?
I think I remember seeing a case of those.
These have a barcode on
I mean,
it?
like a big box.
Oh.
I don't know how many.
I don't even know what these go for. Let me look it up.
No idea.
I'll tell you.
You can actually look that up and see what it goes for.
On eBay, yeah, right on my phone. Yep.
What if nobody has one on there?
Then you
Then
kinda
it's
guesstimate.
kind of guesstimate. Yeah. So what is this? Rely on the Tiger. There they are. So these are the ones that are listed. There's 81 listed for sale. And then sold,
You can even see what's
there's
sold.
13 of them that have sold. Yeah, so they're not crazy. Like 11, 8,
Hey, still
12.
money in your pocket.
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
But yeah, this kind of stuff I like buying, you know, collectibles and stuff like that.
I think on the box it says 93.
On this one? Oh, on the box that you have of, oh, really? Yeah.
Well, the 93, I'm assuming the year.
Yeah, I'd definitely be interested in those too. All right. There's your money, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, that's a nice bag.
Isn't it?
Carried a lot in it.
You can carry everything in these things.
Beautiful.
He put me in it once and picked me
I
up.
did.
No, sir.
Yeah. It held her too. I lifted her right up.
Oh, you're tiny enough.
Yeah.
You take the picture?
Let me find
Look
it.
what I found at the flea market.
Let me see if I can find it. I'm pretty sure I have
Didn't
it.
even have to negotiate.
I know, she just went in the bag.
Here it is. See.
Oh my god, that's cute.
Let me see. Yep. And
Yep.
it literally had me up.
Yeah, I lifted it right up. It held. These things are awesome too because they're basically made of like tarp.
Yeah,
So
that's a great idea.
yeah, they hold a lot of stuff.
It is a great idea.
Sure you don't need help with any of that?
No.
Okay.
No, I just
You have another person?
Church.
when
Yeah.
they sell it.
Yep.
you get
Church
what they can
sale.
for it.
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, I think they're doing a sale tomorrow, so I'll bring it right up.
Yeah. Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, let me know. Whenever. Come
So
by
you can
again.
Pick her up. I guess you can pick that up.
Yeah, yeah, I should be able to.
Well, I mean,
If you,
you gotta weigh more than what's in the bag.
Oh, I do.
yeah, if you find that Nintendo, I'd probably be interested in that.
Yeah, I
for
know
sure.
it's there. I just gotta-
Yep. Definitely. Oh, this is heavy though. Heavier than it looks.
Bye, Joe. Have a good
We'll see ya. All right, so we're here at the eBay room. It is a disaster in here once again. Well, it's pretty much always a disaster in here because we have a lot of stuff. Pam loves
I feel
it.
like when I keep in here really clean, out there gets really dirty.
Yeah.
I don't like that at all. So at least I can say this is your land.
It's okay. I feel like a lot of us resellers kind of deal with the same thing, being a little bit messy and a little bit out of control in your reselling space. So that's what we are at right now. But anyway, so this is the stuff that we picked up from Joe. I have it all here on the floor, but we paid $25 for all of this. And this was an incredible deal. Really good deal. I comped out just a few things. There's nothing like a home run, but there's a lot of good stuff that will bring some decent money. We'll get all our money back in this 3D puzzle alone. So this is a 3D puzzle. It's a grandfather clock. It's sealed, brand new. And these are going on eBay. These are going for about $35 plus shipping. So we'll get all our money back just from this clock puzzle,
It's in a little
which
rough
is awesome.
shape, even though it's sealed, but
Yeah, the box is a little rough, but it is sealed brand new. So, hey, that's awesome. We get a lot of cool vintage toys. Pretty much everything that we pick up from him is vintage and old, which is cool. You never know what you're gonna find, and a lot of this stuff I can't even find. I can't even comp them. Show you guys a few things we picked up. He says he has a whole box of these, so I'm hoping he calls again. He says he has a whole box of these collectible trucks. I don't know if they're all this same one or one similar, but either way, that's really awesome. This is a Mobile Exxon tanker trailer. Not worth a whole lot of money. Maybe about $10 plus shipping or something like that. But it's brand new, sealed. The tape is still there. The factory sealed tape is still on the edges, so it's brand new. And yeah, it's pretty neat. So we got that, and then we get this Tootsie Toys construction set. This is probably a $20 set, brand new in the box, die cast. We picked this up. I found some comps, no exact comps on this though. But it is a Carnival toy. Carnival's the brand. And it's a little ukulele, brand new, factory sealed. Look at this old price tag on it. 66 cents. How crazy is that? That is the brand there, a Carnival product. And I looked up some of these on eBay, and there's some listed for like good money, like 80, 100 bucks. I don't think it's worth that much. There was none that have sold, but nonetheless, it's a cool vintage toy. I think I can get a little bit of money for this, which will be cool. So, got that. Then we picked up this vintage portable organ. It takes batteries, so we'll have to test it out to make sure it works. It comes with the original box. Picked up this old Pete's Dragon. I've never heard of that. It's Walt Disney. It needs to be cleaned up for sure. It's kind of dirty. Walt Disney thermos. Vintage thermos there. Got this sniffing dog. This is a Japanese toy. Show you guys what he looks like. It's kind of cool. This is vintage. I don't know how old it is, but it's definitely old. I didn't see any dates on it or anything like that, but I'm thinking maybe 60s for this toy here. Maybe 60s, I'm not sure. Then we got this game here, this Richard Petty trivia game. This is decent. I think these are going for 15 to 20 on eBay, so that's pretty good there. Factory sealed, once again. A lot of factory sealed stuff. Most of the stuff that was factory sealed in the boxes of stuff that he had, we picked up. A lot of the stuff that he had was in really poor condition. I would love to just buy him out and just buy everything he has. But a lot of the stuff, at least this time, was really dirty. And it just, some of the stuff was like, I felt like after handling a lot of stuff, I needed to wash my hands. And, you know, some of the stuff was just in poor condition. So we left a lot of it behind. There's probably some stuff that we left behind that might have been good to buy. But we just cherry picked the best stuff we could see in the lot. But that's all right. Anyway, so then we picked up these comics. Now these are from 1993. They're all factory sealed. And they're all the same. And there's some that are listed on eBay, because I scanned them. There's some that are listed on eBay. None have sold. But they're listed kind of high, like $15 to $20. And we have, how many do we have here? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we have 13 of these. And I think there's more than one comic book in this. Maybe not. Can't tell. I don't want to open them up. Yeah, there is. There's 1, 2, 3. I think there's 4 comic books in this, and then it comes with like this cool DC trading card. But there's Superman 1993. Yeah, I don't know. Not sure why none have really sold on eBay. Maybe they're not desirable. But either way, I figured we'd pick them up because they're all factory sealed, brand new. And in really good condition. So we have 13 of those. And then what else? We got just a few other things here. We got a copy of Monster Mash. And then we've got the Partridge Family board game. And then I picked up a whole bunch of these little figurines. I don't know what these are, but they're kind of cool, I guess. I mean, I don't know. They're all just these... I'm sure there's a name for them. I think I don't know. If anybody knows what those are, let me know. They definitely need to be cleaned up a bit. But they're cool. There's a whole bag of them. I'm not sure what we'll do with those. Probably just sell them in a big giant lot. Once I figure out what they are. They almost look like strawberry shortcake or something. I don't know. Anyway, so that's that. What else do we have? I think that pretty much sums up the haul. Oh, picked up this this cool truck here too. It's a NASCAR tractor trailer. Cooper Automotive. What is it? Joe Gibbs Racing is what it is. And that's in pretty good condition too. So that's the haul from Joe this time. A whole lot of awesome stuff for 25 bucks. We're already in profit from the last buy that we made from him, and we still have a ton to sell. So far, he's been a great connection to have, and we've been getting great deals on the stuff. He's a great guy, really, really nice guy, and he has no problem making us deals and working with us on prices. He knows we're reselling, you know, he knows what we're doing with the stuff, but he just needs it gone. And he's just willing to work with us, which is really awesome. I'm glad that he gives us a call regularly and has us come down to look for great stuff to pick up. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. That'll do it for this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.